For this function right here, we have a power e, right? E is a number, it's a rational number. So derivative of this function is equal to, we have to apply the power rule first. So e times x plus square root of x over x, e minus 1 times, we have to multiply the derivative of this function right here. Before we do that, if we simplify this expression, x plus the square root of x over x, that is equal to x over x plus the square root of x over x, and this is equal to 1 plus 1 over square root of x, so that's x to the negative 1/2. So the derivative of this expression is equal to 0 plus power rule, negative 1 over 2 times x to the negative 1/2 minus 1, negative 3 over 2. So if we simplify this, that's going to be e times x plus square root x over x, e minus 1 times negative 1 over 2 times this expression, that's going to be x to the 3 over 2. In radical form, this is going to be equal to negative 1 over 2 times the square root x cubed.